Thank you for watching another episode of Stallone's Reviews. Our mission is helping you decide what to love making next. Today we are going to be building this Dogpool kit, brick kit here that I got from Temu. Looks like a lot of fun. Certainly love Dogpool, love the entire Deadpool movie franchise there. So far they can't go wrong, I feel like. Yeah, and we are filming on a new camera. We're trying to make the experience the best we can for you. But it certainly isn't cheap. If you could find yourself, if you've got enough financial being to do so, to join the channel at $1 a month, you get early access to our videos and some emojis, and we'll be glad to recognize you. So there's also a little higher tier that you can allows you to vote. It's about $3 a month on what we build next. So yeah, please consider that. But yeah, let's get started on Dogpool here. Let's see. I got this big bag of bricks, and we're going to try to get everything built here for you on camera. 131 steps. I'm not sure how many pieces overall the guy was. Well, let's get building. Big plastic bag and another big plastic bag. They're not numbered bags, so we're just going to have to dump it all out here. That's a bit of a bummer. Oh, that's a lot of bricks. I would say well over 1,000 there would be my guess. We got a little bag here. Maybe it's extra or stuff that was lost and they just added it back. I don't know. Yeah, so quite the pile of bricks we got going on here. Oh, there's another little bag. And another bag. So I put the plates in separate bags for some reason. Don't know why. Let's see here. Well, I'm definitely going to be glad once we get building well enough that I don't have inch deep pile of bricks. I like building this way. I just go ahead and, as I'm looking for stuff, I try to organize the bricks, and it usually works out pretty good for me, but there's so many here. I'm not sure how well it's going to work, but we're going to try. Let's see, there we go. And, I've got my brickroom count. I don't have to count the studs. I use my brickroom mat, which is just wonderful. Alright, well I have unfortunately no idea where the camera stopped, and it didn't let me know the battery was low, but picking it up here again. We got, the body, which is looking great. That was somewhat of a pain in the ass. Hopefully I got caught on camera. And the head, which has also been a real pain in the ass, which again I hope got caught on camera. But everything looks cool. Alright, well let's keep building. Okay, we got him done. The look is very cool, but the process was a bit to be desired in a number of times. I am so sorry the camera failed. Again, we definitely could use your support if you have the means to give us, $1 a month to get access to our videos so you can see what to love making next. I think it'd be worth it for you. But we certainly could use your support for better equipment. But, yeah, so here he is. Once built, he's pretty solid, not too bad, but the ears are a bit fragile. But his head spins. There we go. And he's got his little lolling tongue, which I think was a very nice touch. And I really love the Deadpool symbol on the chest. That worked out awesome. And you can kind of change the nature of the eyes there. There we go. Yeah. The feet do turn. And he's got a little tail there fixed in place. Yeah. I love building him. He was fun overall, but there were definitely some areas of frustration. It took about 2 hours and 11 minutes to put together. So not a crazy involved build. Kind of cute how they decided to do his ragged little tufts of hair there on his head. Yeah. The brick performance, I would call it mediocre. Some things went together very well. Other things went in a couple parts. Hopefully I caught some of that on camera for you so you can see just the frustration that I did go through. But would I do it again? Yeah, I think I'd do it again. He's fun. And he looks great. I will mention that their bricks here are marred. There's black or gray places on them that probably shouldn't be, so they must have got scuffed by other bricks. But yeah, I would build him again. He was a lot of fun, and he looks great. Please consider joining us in the Stoner's Reviews community. We are trying to build a community of like-minded builders that would be able to share their thoughts on builds and help you decide what to love making next. We do have a Patreon account. Would be another way to support us there. And again, on the Patreon account for $1 a month, you get ad-free access to our videos, which I think is pretty handy. Yeah, but I will try to put a link on this to Temu and anywhere else I find it. I usually try to find on Amazon and wherever else on the description there, so you can pick it up hopefully if you decide you want to build one. And yeah, please hit that like button if you found this video helpful. Thanks again for watching. I finally got around to writing an outro to give you plenty of time to hit those like and subscribe buttons. Thanks again to those of you who have already subscribed, and one of you will have the good luck to be my first paid tier patron on Patreon if you subscribe today. For $3 a month, you get access to my videos without having to watch ads. Thank you in advance.